Acumatica Customer Relationship Management. Acumatica provides a seamless ERP and CRM solution that work together for a single source of organizational truth. Utilize sales automation for lead, contact, and activity management. Take advantage of marketing automation for marketing emails and marketing campaigns, which are seamlessly connected to accounts receivable. And even utilize support management for case or support tickets, which can also be billed for time. Acumatica's CRM workflow is seamlessly connected from the moment a lead enters the system, whether it be from our Outlook plugin, mobile app, an import, or a website capture. Those leads can be maintained through activity management, assigned through automated assignment rules, converted to contacts and customer accounts, and moved all the way through the opportunity and support process until they reach accounts receivable. The same process can be used for vendor management as well, and leads and contacts can be converted into vendors and flow through accounts payable. Within Acumatica, each user has a tailored dashboard displaying the information that they need to do their job. The sales manager, for example, can stay on top of the daily activities of the sales team, everything from quota views to key customer growth charts, all the way through deal size trends. Individual sales reps will have a personalized view of Acumatica, where they can see their own leads that need to be followed up on, a picture of their personal pipeline, and additional data that might be needed on a day-to-day basis. These dashboards are easy to design and personalize and allow you to drill down on the information behind them to access the records that require your attention. Leads could enter the system in a number of ways, but one great tool is the Acumatica Outlook plugin. From my Outlook inbox, I can select any email, and utilizing the Acumatica plugin button in the top right corner, I can identify if that email or contact already exists inside of Acumatica. I can create leads, log activities, create opportunities, and even create AP bills directly from my Outlook inbox. Viewing the record will instantly take me to that screen inside of Acumatica. Here on this list of all of my leads in the system, I can see that Acumatica provides tools such as lead classes to help me differentiate between different types of leads. Maybe are they interested in sales or are they interested in a service? Because of the seamless connection with the marketing side of the house, I can also categorize my leads based on the source that we received them from, or even the campaign from which the relationship initiated. I will select a lead from this list, and we will follow this lead through Acumatica's CRM workflow, keeping in mind that Acumatica has automated assignment rules that can disperse leads to owners based on things like the state the lead is from, the referral source, or even the zip code. On the lead record, we see that all of the information from the initial source has been captured, such as first and last name, addresses, and emails. We can use Acumatica's activity management to start to track our interactions with this lead. We can add notes directly to the lead record and even use task management to hold ourselves or others accountable for certain tasks that need to be performed on certain dates. All activities are stored on the lead record and follow this account through as it becomes an opportunity or a customer. As soon as a lead enters the system, you can also connect it back to the marketing automation tools. Immediately include leads in our campaigns and include them in marketing lists as well. In many organizations, the first step is for marketing to qualify the lead before passing it to sales. Here we can use the intuitive buttons to qualify this lead and provide a reason as to why. These workflow actions can all be modified to match your organization if needed. Once the lead is qualified by marketing, the sales team can determine if they would like to accept the lead. If accepted by sales, we can continue the process of managing our activities and relationship to this client. When our lead or contact indicates that they are ready to move forward with a sale, we can begin to create an opportunity to identify the components of that sale. Acumatica recognizes the account information and contact information and asks if I would like to distribute that into my new opportunity. The opportunity record indicates a potential for a future sale. I see that the activities all come over from my original lead, And I can begin to use this opportunity to add details, such as stock or non-stock items that the customer is interested in purchasing. In the top right corner, I will start to see a price roll-up. And Acumatica also has an extensive pricing engine that can calculate discounts and breakpoints if needed. Opportunities are also used to manage pipeline. Under my Details tab, I can see that a brand new opportunity that is still in a prospect stage has a probability of 0% that this might close. As the sales team engages with this prospect, we can use the different stages to move through the cycle. As we bump up to something like negotiation, notice that the probability increases to an 80% chance of closing. My sales manager now has an understanding of which opportunities in the pipeline we can expect to close. These stages can be modified to match your business requirements as well. One or more quotes can be applied to opportunities as needed. The products or services from the opportunity will carry over to the quote, and you might want to modify line items, quantities, and prices on your different quote versions. The final quote will be marked as primary, and you can send it out to the customer via email. Back on our opportunity, we'll always be able to see the activities continuing to stack up, as well as the multiple quote versions that may have been applied to this opportunity. When ready, I can determine if the opportunity has been won or lost and convert this into a sales order or even an invoice, showing the seamless connection from CRM through accounts receivable. When the opportunity is won, you will see that a customer account is created. This is where you manage the details of the person or organization, from billing and shipping addresses through child locations, payment methods, and so much more. Of course, your opportunity eventually will move into the sales order or invoice stage. From a marketing standpoint, you can create and manage marketing lists directly inside of Acumatica. These lists can either be static or dynamic. A dynamic list, meaning that the selection criteria determined for the list will also affect who is currently on that list. In this example, we're seeing that all of our new leads on our new lead marketing list are contained from the leads we captured this month. This means 30 days from now, we are going to have a completely different list of new leads based on this dynamic condition. You could also choose to add static list members, and the same 5 members you add today will be the same 5 members you see 5 days from now if you don't make any manual changes. You can then utilize the mass email functionality to create a newsletter or message that you would like to send out to your clients. HTML is supported to reduce the amount of time spent in personalizing your emails. You can see that the marketing list in question gets applied to the mass email, and you can send the mass email directly from Acumatica when ready to do so. Marketing campaigns can also be used to help you plan and execute your marketing. In this example, we see a marketing campaign around pay-per-click ads, where we have identified our budget, our expected return, and can immediately see the statistics that have resulted, including leads generated, opportunities won, and their associated value. Campaigns can also be tied to promotion codes to easily run a report and see which campaigns are highest performing. Acumatica even provides direct connections to best-in-class marketing tools such as HubSpot. If you're comfortable in an application like HubSpot and would like to do a connection directly to Acumatica, we can import lead, contacts, and other data from your HubSpot system into Acumatica. Support management is another critical aspect of Acumatica CRM. You can manage both internal and external support cases, and then use a dashboard to help you keep a bird's eye view of everything that is occurring amongst your customers. My support manager is getting instant visibility into high priority cases and workload among his support team. These cases can be entered internally, captured from our customer portal, or even entered from the mobile device. You can use activity management, as we've already seen in today's demonstration, against your cases as well. So now the support team can interact with their clients just as the sales team did from a sales standpoint. Cases can be categorized by severity and priority and escalated to the appropriate resources as necessary. Case activities can even be billed for time if necessary. Acumatica has a native mobile app that is available in the Apple and Android store. This means that you can manage your interactions with clients from your smartphone or from a tablet. As I log into the Acumatica mobile app, you will see that I have access to all of the same CRM and ERP functions that I had from my back-end website. If I'm interested in taking a look at support cases, I can drill down, view cases that belong to me or all of them, and manage activities or billings against these cases exactly how we saw a moment ago. The Acumatica mobile app supports standard smartphone or tablet functionality, such as being able to take photos and attach files directly to cases, leads, contacts, and more. Any information that enters Acumatica through the mobile app is instantly connected to the rest of the workplace, as we started this discussion today with our workflow example. Acumatica provides a seamless ERP and CRM solution that work together for a single source of organizational truth. Gain a 360-degree of your relationship to your customers. Improve customer service with instant notifications, dashboards, and KPIs. Capture and understand lead metrics. Track your marketing campaigns and their associated expenses. And empower your customers to access a financial and support portal on their own. Thank you for joining me today for this high-level overview of Acumatica CRM. For more information, please contact your local Acumatica reseller or reach out to us at www.acumatica.com.